This is a review and install of XFMT backrest with luggage rack type 5 sold on Amazon. Now this fits a 94 to 03 Honda Magna VF 750 and a 95 to 06 VF 250. Other than the 4 bolts and nuts that connect it all together, there is no other mounting hardware that came with it or instructions, but it's not that hard to figure out. Now I'm just going to use the bolts from my Viking bags, which are long enough to go through it all and tighten it up nice. So you'll see in the clip. This rack comes in 3 pieces. It's all put together here in this picture. It just looked easier to install it with it all in one piece. So that's the way I did it. Here's some before footage so you can compare at the end, before and after, see what it looks like. Start by removing one of the bags with the appropriate tools. When you have the bolts and nuts undone, get a good grip on the bag. Just pull it straight out from the fender mount. With the bags removed, go ahead and grab the rack and bring it on over and line it up. We're ready to reattach the bag, so let's get a hold of it and bring it on over and line it up. We'll get a view on the inside of the bag so you can see the length of the bolts that I'm using. From here, it's just a matter of retouching the nuts. How about reattaching the nuts with the appropriate tools? Attach the backrest pad. It did come with 2 screws, so just line it up and screw it in. Guess I could have straightened out the pad cover a little bit more, but yeah, it does look better when it's straightened out. The only issue for me is, if you look at the back here, the bolts that they supplied to put it all together are just a little bit long. Now you could go ahead and cut them off, I guess. Or you can go down to the auto parts store, get a 4-pack of 1-inch stainless steel license plate bolts. The nuts included are locking nuts too. That's it for this review and install. If it helped, give it a like, and thanks for watching.